name is Nakia, and I'm a divine elements of design in the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube video and blog posts, I have a free course titled 5 Days to Organize Life and Home. The information will be in the comment section below. And I also recently published my latest planner, the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner. It comes in a dated and undated version. The planner can be purchased on Amazon, and the information will be in the description box below. So on today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the little cheat things I do in my home to keep it fresh and beautiful at all times. Now, I love fresh flowers, and as much as I would love a monthly subscription to one of the floral shops, the local floral shops, even online floral shops, I find it just as fun to go to the grocery store and make my own bouquet. Yes, I get flowers from the local grocery store and I just customize it to have the look that I want. So today I'm going to show you how I did that, or how I'm doing that. So I purchased 4 bunches from a neighborhood Kroger store, and let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so we're going to start off with the 4 bunches that I have. I have some beautiful eucalyptus. Now, if you know anything about flowers, you know this is actually beautiful and stunning to work with. And then some, what is this? I forgot what this is called, but, oh, some orchids. These are beautiful. And then some lilies. So I have this bunch right here and also this bunch. So what I'm going to do first is actually just take everything out of the containers. Now, you can buy these, you know, for like maybe a few dollars for a bunch at your grocery store. You know, sometimes you get them for like, you know, $3 or $4, $5 or something like that. So you want to start off with taking everything out of the bunches. But actually, there is something that you should have did. I did it off screen, but I cleaned my flower vase. So this is a flower vase that I'm using. I actually purchased this off of online, and one thing I like about this vase is it's designed to where you can just as you're periodically cleaning the vase itself, and then the water, you can actually, you know, trim and put fresh water in it without having to take everything out. And when you get ready to let the water out, it has like a little hole right there. So I really do love this. It comes in various colors, and I will leave a link to the site where I got it from in the comment section or in the description box. But anyway, you're going to want to take out everything, all of the rubber bands and the plastic, because you're going to want to get everything prepared. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so that's that. I try to keep the rubber bands intact in case I need them again. So now these are the beautiful orchids. I love them. Now, you know, most come with a little flower food, so I'm just going to put that to the side. So I have those. And this one I'm going to cut it because it's like really good. So now these are beautiful, and there are some flower food. I'm going to put that to the side as well. I'm going to take this rubber band off. Take this rubber band off as well. And then this last one. So normally I use about 2 or 3 or 4 bunches. I don't make it completely too full. But I do like my bouquet to be full. You know, I want the smells, and as of right now, you can actually smell everything. Everything smells so beautiful. So you are going to want to cut your stems at a 45-degree angle. That way you can make sure that they're already cut. So they're already cut, but you're going to want to cut them again. So 45-degree angle. And this normally aren't the shears I use, so of course it's going to act of course it's going to act up right now. But you know what? I'm going to cut them once I arrange them and put them in my vase, because that's normally what I do. So now I have everything beautiful. Now my main pieces are these. Now, as you can see, it's really just 3 stems. Now, 2 of them have already bloomed, so that's really beautiful, but the other ones still have to bloom. So what I'm going to do is, you know, position them the way I want them. So and the stems are really long, so I'm going to definitely cut those. You want to make sure that you're being creative with the height as well. So I really like this. I like this look right here. Now I'm gonna want to add my other colors as well, and I'm just gonna like place them how I want to. It doesn't have to be, you know, some type of perfect asymmetric placement, but you do want to make sure that you have the colors, you know, flowing around completely. So if you have various greens and other colors, you want to make sure that you have them, you know, just placed where you want them. So one thing about this whole bouquet is that it does have a lot of colors. Like this is one, but look at all the greenery that's in here. So I'm going to, you know, just kind of place it around various heights. And, you know, I want it to look really nice. Now, yes, you're probably thinking, why am I doing this myself? I probably could have bought a bouquet that was already put together. And you're right, I could have. But this is because I want to make this my own. I want this to be something I want. The colors I want, the smells I want, the fragrances I want. And I just want to be creative. What does Nicki Minaj say? Buy me regular when you can be stunning. Yes, I do love this already. So I want to make sure that it's beautiful on all sides because it will be placed in an area that you're going to want to see the colors on the sides. Now the eucalyptus is very pretty, and it looks like I have this one big piece that has a lot of different pieces to it. So I'm just going to put it because I want it to be seen. So I think I'm going to put it like this, kind of in the middle, but a little more in the front. So yeah, I like that look. Then I have these. Let's see. I want this one to kind of look like right there. And then this one, how about here? Okay. So it is done. It is stunning. So what I'm going to do is put a rubber band now here to put them all together. And then I'm going to cut it the way I want. So since this is so long here, I'm just going to cut it just to make me put the rubber band on it easily. And then I'm going to cut it again at the 45-degree angle once I get the desired height that okay. As I was trying to avoid. But, okay. I'll go ahead and just do the double here. Let's see. And I broke a nail just a second ago. Okay, let's see if I can do it one more time. Sorry, I might have to do a voiceover and speed through it. Okay, so as you see, those are all the stuff that's dead and died. I'm going to move all that out of the way. I am still going to go through and see if there are any more that looks like they're, you know, dying soon. I want to make sure everything is beautiful. See if I like the way it looks. Yeah, I think it's fine. This bunch right here is sitting a little taller than I want it to. So I'm going to find it and scoot it down. I actually spread it around. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm going to get my vase and see exactly how far I want it on my vase. So I want it to be like this. I think that's going to be beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut 45-degree angle. Now, once I met someone that told me you should do your cuts under the water while it's running. I used to do that a long time ago, but for this video, I'm not going to do it. I don't know if that even matters. I just did it under the running water because the person told me that it stops air from being trapped in, and that's how to make it last longer. I'm not sure But if that's something that you've heard in the past, please let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm gonna add my water to my container. And I'm gonna put one of my food in it. Just one. I think one is all I need. And actually it could have been half, but I have a lot of flowers in here. So I'm gonna do one. And stir it up with a stem. Hey, why not? Okay. So now let's put my flowers in the container. You know what? This one is broke. So I'm gonna put this in the middle. Now it's gonna look very different in a few days because I still have some of the orchids that I have to, or orchids that are gonna have to bloom. But let's see, this is another one that it's not standing quite right. So I'm gonna put it right there in the middle. Let's see if I can get it. Yes. I don't really like this one, so I'm gonna move it around a little. I'm gonna take this one off. Take the dead ones off because they're gonna fall. So you can definitely cut those. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like completely. Okay. All right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like, where it's gonna sit on my breakfast bar area, and you can tell me what you think. Okay, so my floral arrangement is complete. It is in its home for the next 3 weeks, and I completely love it. The colors of the lilies and the orchids are simply stunning. Now, yes, the downstairs of my home has a lot of blues and teals and, sage colors, like very earth tones, but I love the colors that are in this arrangement because it really pops in the space. And I think I did well. I mean, this arrangement that I made is like a third of the cost if I would have went someplace to like a fancy florist and bought a bouquet that was already pre-did. I did this for a fraction of the cost and I was able to get what I want. So the next time you're in need for flowers, just go to your grocery store. They have flowers right there and pick them up and like create your own little masterpiece. So this is where I put my flowers for the really all the time because I purchased this vase and I love it. And everything just works. Like I said, with this vase, you can twist it, drain the water out, add fresh water, cut the stems at a 45-degree angle as often as you need. Now they say do it once every other day or every 2 or 3 days and, add fresh flower food. And that's how you can make your flowers last a little bit longer. But overall, I love it. So if you have any tips and suggestions on what you do to make your flowers last longer, please leave them in the comment section below. I am not a florist by any means. I love fake flowers, but I also love beautiful ones, and I wanted to share these tips with you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a divine day. Goodbye.